What do you admire most about your mom?
She always said that caring others starts with being responsible at home. So I used to switch off the lights. She always taught me to switch off the lights whenever not in use. So the same habit I still follow in my office and in my home. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers.
What makes your mom amazing?
Hi, Mom. Happy Mother's Day, first of all. Moms make me always amazing because she's always motivate me to grow up, always learn the new things, and always listen to those who are advise you. So my mom always make me amazing because I love my mom and I love my family. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
Say to your mom this Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Hi mom, I just want to say thank you for always believing me. Everything I do with your strength in the mind, and happy Mother's Day. So my mom is very caring and very loving. So I believe my mother believed for me. So I am very happy and for the good son for my mothers. Thank you.
Say to your mom this Mother's Day.
I want to say I love her very much, and I miss her a lot since last Mother Days, and I want to say I love you very much.
What's your favorite memory with your mom?
I always loved it when my mom used to bring me at school until the age 16. That's it. Happy Mother's Day.
Describe your mom in 3 words.
If I had to describe my mom in 3 words, they would be loving, inspiring, and caring. She's the heart of our family. She's always there with open arms and unwavering support. That's all. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Funniest thing your mom used to say.
The funniest things she will used to say when I give something special to her, she will respond, "Sana all." Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
So hi, today's Mother's Day. Would you like to say something to your mom this Mother's Day?
Yes, I would like to say to my mom and all other moms, thank you very much. You are the great support of our life, and let's all support them. Let's all love them the right way we're supposed to do, and they're the best in our life.
Just today's message for Mother's Day.
Well, today's message for mothers, for all mothers of the world, is for us to know and always recognize that we are really the most important to our kids and to our kids to the world.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
What do you want to say to your mom this Mother's Day?
I would say to my mom, you are the amazing woman in the world and you are the amazing teacher as well. I love you, mom.